Hello, writers! Welcome to our writing lesson. I am Miss Caro from Second B, and I appear in this picture. So let's remember what we have learned. Okay, so how do we have to write a teaching book? First, we need to think about a topic. Then, we need to plan. And finally, we need to write the words. So, how can you teach your readers? It's important to think about in who, where, how, when, and why. So, it's important to give details about your topic. Last lesson, we learned how to use picture to teach. So, do you remember? We learned to use arrows, words, and zoom in some pictures. Let's see. Here, I zoom in some pictures and I used arrows and words. Guys, for this lesson you need your writing copybook, your smartphone, or a camera. So you have to take pictures to all your work. So we are so excited to see what have you done during these weeks. See you next week. Have a good day. Bye, guys.